So, good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Elma Gonzalez, your reporter for today, and my topic is all about rules and volleyball. Rules and volleyball. So, 1994, prosthetic limbs may be worn if the referee determines the player will gain no artificial advantage. Ball may be contacted with any part of a player's body on or above the knee. Point limit on deciding games eliminated. So, sabi dyan is, prosthetic limbs allowed if no advantage, any body part above the knee can contact the ball. Point limit removed in deciding games. And next is 1996. Service zone extended to include full width of 9 meters area behind and lines ball may be contacted with any part of a player's body. So, sabi dyan, noong 1996, service zone extended, any body part can contact the ball. And 1998, server only received one toss of the ball to execute the service. So, 1998, server gets one toss for service execution. And then, 1999, all scoring changed to rally, non-deciding games played to 25 with no cap, deciding games to 15 with no cap. So, sabi dyan, 1999, scoring changed to rally system. Non-deciding games played to 25 with no cap, deciding games to 15 with no cap. And then, 2001, ball allowed to touch the net while crossing crossing it on the serve. So, sabi dyan, 2001, ball can touch the net during serve. And then, 2002, during play, a coach may give instruction to players on the court without delaying the match. So, 2002, coaches can give instruction with delaying the match. So, from 1970 to the present, volleyball became big business. Many of the rules from 1970 to the present different between Federation High School, National Association of Girls and Women and Sports, which has now been replaced by the NCAA, USA Volleyball, and other amateur and professional associations. Each association rulebook needs to be studied. So, sabi dyan is, since 1970s, volleyball has transformed into a major industry. However, during this period, various associations such as High School Federation, the National Association of Girls and Women in Sports, now replaced by the NCAA. USA Volleyball and other amateur and professional bodies have established their own rule books. Consequently, players and officials must study the specific rules of each association, compliance, and fair play. So, from 1896, after a demonstration given at the YMCA in Springfield, the name Mentonet is replaced with volleyball. So, sabi dyan, in 1996, following a demonstration at the YMCA in Springfield, the sport previously called Mentonet was renamed volleyball. And then, 19,000. The rules as modified by WADA are accepted and published by the YMCA. Match length is set at 21 points. The height of the net is increased to 7 feet to 6. Canada is the first foreign country to adopt volleyball. A special ball was designed for the sport. The Young Men's Christian Association, YMCA, spread volleyball to Canada, Asia, and the Southern Hemisphere. So, in 19,000, modified rules by the WADA were accepted, setting match length at 21 points and increasing the net height to 7 feet to 6 inches. Canada became the first foreign country to adopt volleyball, and a special ball was designed for the sport. Additionally, the YMCA played a pivotal role in spreading volleyball to Canada, Asia, and the Southern Hemisphere. In 1906, Cobo discovered six volleyball in 1906, thanks to a North America Army officer, Augusto York, who takes part in the second military intervention on the Caribbean islands. So, noong 1906 daw is Cobo discovered six volleyball to a North America Army officer, Augusto York, participating in the military intervention on the Caribbean island. And 1907, the volleyball was presented at the Playground of America Convention as one of the most popular sport. So, noong 1907 daw is volleyball was introduced at the Playground of America Convention, becoming one of the most popular sports. And then 1908, volleyball reached Japan. It is Hyozo Omori, a Springfield College graduate in the United States, who first demonstrated the rules of the new game on the YMCA courts in Tokyo. So, noong 1908 daw, it reached Japan when Hyozo Omori, a Springfield College graduate, demonstrated the game's rules on YMCA courts in Tokyo. And then, noong 1909, YMCA spread volleyball to Puerto Rico. So, noong 1909 daw is nag-spread yung volleyball sa Puerto Rico. And then, noong 1910, volleyball officially lands in China thanks to Max Exner and Howard Krochner. Up until 1917, play is between 16-man teams and goes to 21 points. So, noong 1910 daw is volleyball officially arrived in China, facilitated by Max Exner and Howard Krochner, with games played between 16-man teams and going up to 21 points until 1917. Next is the Philippine too got to know the new game. It is imported by Manila YMCA. Director Elwood Brown, in a very short space of time, there are 5,000 public and private courts in the USA. Decisive impetus is given to the game by Prebus Idel, YMCA director in Germantown. So, sabi dyan, in the Philippines, the new game of volleyball was introduced by Elwood Brown, the director of Manila YMCA. Within a brief period, the sport gained popularity, leading to the establishment of 5,000 public and private courts. Meanwhile, in the USA, Prebus Idel, the YMCA director in Germantown, played a pivotal role in advancing the game's growth. Next is 1912. The YMCA spread volleyball to Uruguay, marking several significant changes in the game. The court size was standardized to 35 by 6 feet, and uniform specifications were established for the ball, including a circumference of 26 inches and a weight between 7 and 9 ounces. Additionally, team size was set at 6 players and player rotation before service was introduced. So, sabi dyan, noong 1912, the YMCA spread volleyball to Uruguay, marking several significant changes in the game. The court size was standardized to 35 by 6 feet, and uniform specifications were established for the ball, including a circumference of 26 inches and a weight between 7 and 9 ounces. Additionally, team size was set at 6 players and player rotation before service was introduced. And then, noong 1915, the number of players on court became variable, ranging from 2 to 6 for each team. Officially, game time was introduced, and it was decided that the team losing a game had the right to begin serving in the next game. Volleyball also spread to Europe, particularly on the French beaches of Normandy and Brittany. Due to the American soldiers fighting in the World War I, it is popularly grew rapidly, especially in eastern countries where the cold climate made gym sports particularly attractive. Additionally, the opening days of the World War I brought volleyball to Africa, with Egypt being the first country to learn the rules of the game. In 1916, an offensive style of passing the ball in a high trajectory to the struck by another player, the set and spike, were introduced in the Philippines. The Filipinos developed the bomba, or kill in called the hitter or bombereno. Many new rules are established. The score for a game drops from 21 to 15, and it is determined that to win a match, a team has to win 2 out of 3 games. The ball can now be hit with a player feet. Net height rises to 8 feet, while ball weight climbs from 8 to 10 ounces. It is decided that holding on the ball is a foul and that a player cannot have contact with the ball a second time until after it has been played by another athlete. Volleyball became a part of the program of the NCAA, the body that oversees college and university sports in the USA. The National College Athletic Association, or NCAA, was invented by the YMCA to aid in editing the rules and in promoting the sport. Volleyball was added to school and college physical education and intramural program. So, sabi diyan, noong 1916, volleyball underwent significant development, including the introduce of offensive passing techniques like the set and spike in the Philippines, leading to innovation like the bomba or kill. New rules were established such as reducing the game score to 15 points and requiring teams to win 2 out of 3 games to win match. Additionally, players were allowed to hit the ball with their feet. The net height was raised to 8 feet and the ball's weight increased to 10 ounces. Holding onto the ball became a foul and players were prohibited from contacting it a second time until after if had been played by another athlete. Volleyball also gained recognition in the United States, became part of the NCAA sport program and being incorporated into school and college physical education and intramural programs. And in 1917, the game was changed from 21 to 15 points. YMCA spread volleyball to Brazil at the Allied forces and based in the Porto Corsini, where the Ravena's sport place is now located at America. Armen introduced the Vienna of the volleyball into Italy. So, sabi diyan, noong 1917, significant change occurred in volleyball. The scoring system shift from 21 to 15 points and the YMCA helped spread the sport to Brazil. Additionally, American airmen introduced volleyball to Italy at the Allied Forces Air Base. And then, noong 1918, the number of players per team is set at 6 in Japan. The first high school championship as played. So, sabi dyan, noong 1918, the standard number of players per team was set at 6 and Japan held its first high school championship. And then, noong 1999, American Expeditionary Forces distribute 16,000 volleyballs to its troops and the athletes. This provided a stimulus for the growth of volleyball in the foreign land. During the First World War, Dr. George Fisher, a secretary of the YMCA War Work Office, makes volleyball a part of the program in military training camp, both in the USA and abroad. The athletes handbook written for those responsible for sport and recreation in the Army and Marines. Thousands of balls and net sent overseas in the US through also represent to the Allied Army. Sports Direct store more than 16,000 volleyball and distribute in 1919 the American Expeditionary Corps and the ano. So sabi diyan, the following year the American Expeditionary Forces nag-distribute sila ng 16,000 volleyballs to troops and allies, aiding the sport growth worldwide. So, Dr. George J. Fisher played pivotal role in the integrating volleyball into military training camps. During World War, in China, game played involved 12 against 12 with matches ending at 15 points. So, in 1920, institution of 3 hits per side and back row attack rules, court size goes down to 30 by 60 feet and the ball is allowed to be played by any part of the body above the waist. A major innovation involves the rule allowing a team to play a ball no more than 3 times before sending it over the net. The Philippines developed the first kind of spike. It is known as the Filipino bump. And it's very pretty lethal weapon. The first spontaneous attempt at blocking made their appearance, although they are not yet codified by the rules. Volleyball makes its first official appearance in Russia in the cities of the Volga, Gorsy, and Kazan, and at the same time in the Khabarovsk and Vladivostok. So, sabi dyan, noong 1920, several significant development occurred in volleyball. The institution of 3 hits per side and back row of attack rules revolutionized gameplay. Court was decreased to 30 by 60 feet and players were allowed to play the ball with any part of the body above the waist. The Philippines introduced the first spike known as the Filipino bump, adding the lethal weapon to the game. Although blocking attempts emerged, they were not yet formalized by the rules. Volleyball officially made of the debut in Russia, spreading to cities like Volga, Gorsy, Kazan, Khabarovsk, and Vladivostok. So, in 1922, the first YMCA National Championship were held in Brooklyn, NY. 27 teams from 11 states were represented. Players in the back line are not permitted to spike. The double hit fault is added to the rules. Scoring rules are also changed, providing that with the score of 14-14, 2 consecutive points are needed to win. The maximum number of consecutive ball contacts per team is set at 3. The first national federation is founded in Czechoslovakia, quickly followed by Bulgaria. The first national championship is played in the USA, in which only YMCA teams compete. Volleyball gains in popularity in Italy too, thanks to Guido Grazenia, a Springfield YMCA graduate. So, sabi diyan, in 1922, first YMCA National Championship were held in Brooklyn, NY, with teams from 11 states participating. New rules included banning back the players from spiking and adding the double hit fault. Scoring rules changed to require the consecutive points to win at 14-14. The maximum number of consecutive that contacts per team was set at 3. National federations were founded in Czechoslovakia and Bulgaria, while in the USA, the first national championship featured only YMCA teams. Italy saw the rise of volleyball popularity thanks to Guido Crajans, a Springfield YMCA graduate. So, in 1923, volleyball saw further standardization with teams consist of 6 players on court and 12 official substitutes, each wearing a numbered jersey. Rotation were introduced, requiring the serving team to rotate clockwise with the serve initiated from the player on the right of the back line. Crossing into the opponent's court during play was deemed a foul, and a minimum ceiling height of 15 feet was established. This year marks the official birth of volleyball in Russia, date to a match between High Art and Theatre Workshop and State Cinema Technical School in Moscow on July 28. And then in 1924, volleyball gained international exposure when it was included as a demonstration sport in the Olympic Games program in Paris, representing American sport. And in 1925, volleyball saw the introduction of 2 timeouts per game for each team and a change in scoring rules per closely contested sets, where a 2-point advantage at 14-14 replaced the need for 2 consecutive points to win. Additionally, the ball weight was modified from 9 to 10 ounces. This year marked the first time volleyball was played in the Netherlands, introduced by Father Buis at the St. Willibrord Mission House on Odden after his stay at the Seminary of Technilliones in US. And then in 1926, a significant rule was established where a team reduced to less than 6 players would forfeit the match. And then in 1927, saw the establishment of the Japanese Volleyball Federation, organizing 9 men's competition. In Russia, there was a political reaction against the YMCA, but volleyball remained in the country. China adopted the 9-player per team system similar to Japan. And then last is the 1928. The need for organized tournaments and rules lead to the formation of the United States Volleyball Association or USBA, now USA Volleyball. The first US Open was held, opening the field to non-YMCA. So, hanggang dun lamang po ang aking report. Thank you sa pakikinig. God bless.